What's the meaning of bobcat? Bobcat. Bobcat.
Bobcat. Bobcat. A bobcat is a small, carnivorous mammal native to North America. It is a member of the lynx family and is known for its distinctive appearance, including its short tail, ear tufts, and spotted coat. Bobcats are active hunters and feed on a variety of prey, including rodents, rabbits, birds, and reptiles. They are adaptable animals and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, deserts, and suburban areas. Due to their solitary nature and elusive behavior, sightings of bobcats in the wild are relatively rare. Despite being a relatively common species, the bobcat remains an important symbol of North American wildlife.